My name's Alec from Pegasus. I'm here today to talk to you about the latest 2018 version of the Avantgarde hardtop designed and made by Pegasus. Now, what we do at Pegasus is design each hardtop for each vehicle, so that this one is specifically designed for the Navara. We will be making exactly the same features applicable that are on this hardtop for the Ford Ranger, the Volkswagen Amarok and the new Mercedes X-Class. But just talking about design features now for the Navara on this particular vehicle, you can see that on this curvature of the door here, we try to pick up on a line here so that that blends in. And also if you look at the side wing with the curve going down, there's a curve indented there to pick up on that line as well. So what we try to do is create the overall effect that this hardtop was part of the vehicle and not an afterthought or an add-on. All Pegasus hardtops are made from high strength fiberglass, so extremely robust, and they are painted in high quality ICI DuPont paint. We use that level of quality of paint because I've seen on hardtops now 12-15 years still in daily use, and they haven't lost any of the shine or not faded in any way, shape or form. So it pays dividends to use quality paint. On the 2018 model now, we are having roof bars as we've always done, but you've got the option of either having them fitted or not fitted. Now the reason we've done that is because some customers say to us, look, I like the lines of the vehicle, I'm never going to put anything on top, I'd rather not have the black roof bars fitted, so can we leave them out? Now, we've designed the interior lining now so that we can remove or add these roof bars as you wish. If you do use the black roof bars, they are capable of supporting about 85-95 kilos. So if you're carrying ladders, lengths of timber, copper pipe, whatever it may be, it will carry that sort of weight quite easily. One of the features of the Avantgarde is that we've got actually a lift-up side door, or gull wing door, as some people call it, but it's actually a solid door as opposed to most of our competitors just using a single piece of glass. The reason we've gone for the solid door is A, because it's a quality door that closes properly like a car door. Secondly, you haven't got to fluff around with a key to unlock a piece of glass, which is the only way it can be done, one side here and one side there. And thirdly, we've got central locking on these side doors, which our customers with glazed hardtops can't incorporate. If I open the door, you'll see that there's a panel here that incorporates that central locking. And also, one of the other features that I've added for 2018 is a plunger switch for the interior light, which you'll see going on, going off. And the reason we put a plunger switch on the sides is that previously we only had it on the rear door, but because people want to come in at the side and get something out, the light will come on automatically at the side. It's a bit like a car door. You know, whichever door you open, the interior light will come on, and we've tried to incorporate that with the hardtop as well. If I shut the door down, press the locking, that door is locked. Rinse off the ignition key and opens. So it's a proper, full integrated central locking system with the vehicle. Now, if I come around the back, point to some of the features we've got here, which is an integrated rear spoiler, a third brake light. The rear glass is 70% tinted and incorporates within it a heated rear screen element. Now, I'll open up the rear door so that we can now talk about the interior of this hardtop and some of the features that we've added. If we look at the front of the hardtop, first of all, you'll notice that I've got sliding glass. Now, the reason I've got sliding glass is twofold. One is the only way you can clean the rear window of the pickup. Without it, you can't. You can't access it from the side. And as I say, you know, this will open 50% one way or slide 50% the other, so you can clean that rear screen. The other important reason why I've got this rear window with so much ventilation applicable is because most of, or at least half of our customers have got dogs, and of course they want them to have a lot of ventilation, and this allows that to happen without them being able to escape or get out or whatever it may be. Talking about pets and animals, we also thought about that with our hardtop, which is why the roof is double skinned fiberglass, but then I've added this suspended roof lining which gives a third layer of insulation. And the idea behind that is that during the summer months on a hot day, it keeps it very, very cool in here. The interior light is an LED light. As I say, it's an automatic light. It works off the plunger switch off any of these three doors. Another feature is that we always supply a Pegasus umbrella as part of the package with our hardtops. So you'll see that fitted at the front. Now, on the 2018 security package, which we've added to our hardtops, part of that is this metal mesh to all the insides of the glazed exterior doors. The reason we've done that is that if somebody broke into the hardtop, it smashed the glass, and previously they would then be able to reach in and get at whatever was inside the vehicle. By having this security mesh fitted, which is not visual from the outside at all, so it doesn't affect the looks of the hardtop in any way, shape or form, the advantage is that if they break the glass, that's as far as they're going to get. They're certainly not going to get past that metal mesh. And the other feature, which I'll demonstrate later, that we've added to the hardtop, should anybody break one of these doors, even break the glass, the minute the door is opened, the hardtop is now linked to the vehicle alarm itself. So if any of these doors are opened, the vehicle alarm will go off. And at that point, I don't believe any criminal or burglar, call it what you may, is going to hang about and steal the contents of what you've got inside your hardtop. So whether you're a vet carrying drugs or you've got your precious pet inside, you can feel secure that with a Pegasus hardtop, everything you've got inside is going to stay inside. Okay, so if I close up the tailgate, shut the door down, and lock it, that hardtop is now totally secure and alarmed. I have to wait 30 seconds for it to set, but in a minute, the only way I can demonstrate this is by using the manual key that's supplied with each hardtop. The reason we do that is a fail-safe system, so that if the central locking did fail, you would be able to get in to the hardtop using the manual key system. So I think I've had enough time. So if I now unlock this door manually and open the door, I believe this alarm is going to go off. That is all part of our security package. So you've got the interior mesh to prevent anybody getting past the glass, and you've got the alarm system on each and every door. So it doesn't matter whether it's this door, that door, or the one on the other side, that alarm's going to go off. So I'm very, very pleased with this 2018 hardtop. I think it incorporates every feature that you could possibly want. There's a lot of thought gone into it. But, you know, Pegasus do make the very best hardtops. I really believe that. And they come with a 3-year parts warranty on everything except the glass, of course. And they'll give you many years of good service. Thank you for listening.